Hello.
Hi.
Here's a room tour.
69 degrees.
It's cold, man. It is cold. We've got a light switch right off the door that turns on the hall light. When you come in, you do have a little bit of a coffee stand, which I think Abel very much appreciates. You have your ice bucket, some complimentary Joffrey's French roast, as well as some English breakfast tea and green tea. I will definitely be making myself a cup, I think, right now because my Florida blood is thin and it is cold and rainy. So that sounds really nice. They do have a coffee bar. We passed a sign in the hall. They've got glasses and coffee mugs for the Keurig. And then it looks like just some storage space here with a fridge. Nothing in the fridge, but definitely plenty of room to store water. And then if you're wanting to do some small breakfast things, so, you know, milk, pastries, things like that to get you through in the mornings. Right off the closet here, we've got a suitcase stand. So, hon, you can put your suitcase on here when you're done.
Yeah.
You've got a safe. I've never used one of these before, but it's nice to know that they're still incorporated into rooms. Some nice wood hangers, extra pillows and blankets, and an ironing board and an iron there in the back. And my mom's probably laughing because I also don't iron. Here is the bathroom. It's very spacious, very open. That was the first thing that Abel said, is he liked how open it was in here. And then specifically the toilet room and shower. So in the shower, we've got the bath soap. The tiling in here is stunning. Oh, it's so pretty. It's probably echoing really horribly, I apologize. We also have the H2O Beauty body wash, conditioner, and shampoo that comes with. The curtain is really cute. Look at the hidden Mickeys. Oh my gosh, I want this curtain. Do you think they'll notice if the curtain is missing when they come to clean the room? You have your towels. I believe this is tissue. Oh, it's toilet paper cover. Very fancy. Toilet, trash can, toilet paper. Here back into the bathroom, you have, there are no drawers, so any storage is gonna be down here. Looks like they've got the hair dryer and some additional towels, as well as on the towel rack there. On the sink counters themselves, you do have tissue, some face towels. This is the mirror Mom likes. She likes that like magnifying mirror that gets you way close in. So they've got that, which is nice for doing your makeup, and I believe, yes, it does. I turned it. Maybe not. It's broken. I think it is supposed to light, but I think it's broken. Anyway, you have your sinks, some additional body products, some lotion, mouthwash, a vanity kit, which includes a collection of beauty essentials that will ensure you look your absolute best before walking out the door. So it includes cotton pads, cotton swabs, and a nail file. That's really sweet. Shower cap, facial soap, second sink, and then the mirror itself is large and lovely. That's the bathroom. Going out into the main bedroom. He's already made himself at home. Yeah. Look at, he's got his shoes out.
Work clothes.
Work clothes on. Here we've got some drawers on the nightstand. Usually they don't have anything in them, of course, because they want you to be able to put your own items in. The artwork in here is very simple, but very beachy. That just looks like an oyster shell, right?
I think so.
It is a queen bed. I don't think that's a king. That looks like our bed.
Though.
I'd say that's a queen. Abel says it's comfy. That's good.
That's
Here you
fine.
have an entire chest of drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 storage spaces there for you and the person you're sharing the room with. Also, something to note is you've got all the plugs right here. Not only your USB ports, but your traditional wall plugs. Then you also have all of the Disney pamphlets. They give you like your in-room dining menu, your Disney Springs magazine with information about everything to be found at Springs, and your take-along guide to the magic. So you can take this with you, and it gives information about all of the parks and dining, transportation, all that stuff. Thankfully, we're very blessed to live here and we frequent the parks all the time, so we don't really need that information. They also include that Abel put his suitcase on top of.
I did.
You're
Sorry,
so
guys.
rude.
Thinking myself in hope.
I know. A sweet little art card. I know actually some people like take these just because it's pretty. And a thank you letter, essentially, from the Yacht and Beach Club manager. So we'll put that up there. We also have a desk area, which is really nice. Again, we've got the USB port and the traditional wall plugs. Really nice chair setup. Oh, and this like rolls out. Look at this cool extendo table, Abel. Look. It's like a table under the table.
Oh, I like that.
So I guess if you're eating on the couch behind right here, you can roll this table over there. Very cool. They think of everything. Another mirror. Check yourself out. Ladies could sit here and get ready in the morning, kind of a vanity area. Nice chair. I believe that's a pull-out bed. I would be surprised if that is not a pull-out bed. Some more artwork, again, very sea inspired, some different shells. I also really love that we do have a little balcony that we can sit out on.
You get our coffee and just chill.
Yeah. You can get some coffee, hun, before you go to work. How do I open this thing? It's like so many locks.
I love that product.
I know. So we're,
The pool, which is crazy.
yeah, it is cold and rainy here. So you've got a little deck with chairs. And literally that is the pool right there. So this is the perfect spot if you are wanting the kids to go out and swim and like mom, dad, grandma, grandpa can be sitting over here. But this is really sweet. I love it. What a great room. I'm so happy with this.
Oh yeah, it's really good. Huh?
I think mom would really like it as well. I'm actually gonna call her and FaceTime her so she can see it. But that's our room.
Yeah, actually, move our temperature to 73.
Yeah, I felt it get toasty pretty quick. So I'd say it's super spacious.
I think so. Like, I would sleep there. Like, I think couple or your friends and somebody.
Oh, absolutely. You could definitely fit 2 on the bed.
also
I'm
have
telling
the
you,
floor,
this is a pull out. So 2 here, 2 there. You for sure could comfortably fit 4 adults. And then if you're wanting to be silly like my husband, you can sleep on the floor, but I don't recommend that. All right, guys, so that was our room tour. I hope you like it. I love this room. I'm so surprised by how much I really enjoy it. I'm actually gonna go change. We have dinner reservations at Maria and Enzo's at Disney Springs in a couple of hours. So I'm gonna go freshen up. This is my post-work hair and face. So if you did enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.